What's up, everyone? So I was going to discuss Metformin in this video. I made a. Dang, I wrote so much. Oh my gosh. Gotta stop saying that. Okay. So Metformin. Metformin is really great. I'm getting like really good at being efficient, and I think I'm just gonna explain Metformin real quick, just off the top of my head, and then go through my notes. And yeah. But so this is just a quick lifespan extension vlog. And so metformin, it's a pharmaceutical, right? I haven't researched it in a while, but it's the main drug used for type 2 diabetes, right? Like there's a couple other ones that are often prescribed for type 2 diabetes, but metformin is the most popular one. And a while back, there's some research indicating its health extension effects. Some research um, indicated that like diabetic people were living longer than healthy people, which makes no sense, right? Because they have a disease. But and So later on, researchers realized that metformin is an excellent geroprotector, right? It targets biological aging. Um, and actually, I know a lot of scientists who actually ask their doctors to get metformin prescribed to them off label. And so Dr. Nir Barzilai is conducting the TAME trial. Um, I got to read all my notes to really get a better understanding of. Oh, I should have pulled up my notes, my second notes on metformin. Let's see if I have that real quick. Okay, while I look that up though, so metformin. And so it's not really it doesn't seem to be that impressive of a geroprotector. Like it's not going to help us live to like 140 years old or 130 years old, or it probably won't even really help us to live to like 110 or 120 maybe. But it more like it looks like it's something that's just going to extend our life expectancy by maybe like 2 years, right? And but what's really impressive about metformin is its ability, what Dr. Nir Barzilai is doing, and others, right? In which they are um, having metformin go through the FDA process, right? Going through the different phases of clinical trials through with the TAME trial. If you go on Aging Federation, AFAR.org, right? Aging Federation. What does that stand for again? How did I forget that, dude? See, I stopped doing research for like 6 months, and dude, it was the worst decision of my life. Like, I can't believe I did that. American Federation for Aging Research. Never gonna do that again. Like, believe me, never do that. Never take a break off of this stuff. That is like the worst decision you can make. Um, like unless you're like going through burnout and stuff, you really have to like, um, rest or something. Oh, come on, dude. Really, I don't have my other notes. Please. Come on. Oh, I got it. Sweet. Let's see if maybe I'll do these videos in parts. Um, so I can go through my notes also. That sounds like a kind of good idea, huh? I could just post these videos separately or something. So I can read all my notes also. I'll just do 8-minute segments. Okay, Aging Federation. It would be kind of nice to put this on the stream too, so I can get the video and get the background. So maybe I'll do that next. Yeah, I'll do that next. Okay, I'll just finish this up. What else is there? I think that's all I'll say. You probably shouldn't ask your doctor to prescribe it to you off label. To be honest, wait for it to get FDA approved and see like how they say to take it, and let's see what the results look like. It was a really impressive trial. Dr. Nir Barzilai, the primary investigator, is really impressive. Um, and I probably won't be able to explain the research too well since I'm not a scientist. I only have a bachelor's in biomedical science, and but I'll do the best I can. And yeah, it's just a really popular germ protector, right? It's been extending lifespan of mice for a long time, and it's one of the first. It's one of the most tested geroprotectors that exist out there. Like there's so many papers on it, and there's so many papers on like calorie restriction, metformin, rapamycin. Those are like the big ones for like lifespan extension studies specifically in animals. Possibly in humans, I'm not entirely sure. I still have to do like way more research on humans. It's difficult for me to study human clinical trials. And okay, yeah, I think that's gonna be all for the video. Let's see if I can think of anything else real quick. Um, there definitely seems to be better germ protectors, but it would be really nice to have something FDA approved, and so that you can have your doctor like um, looking into it and giving you advice on it. And yeah, we really need this trial to work so that we can have aging considered a disease, right? And have or just have a more clear route for FDA approval for these germ protectors, right? Because it's not, we shouldn't be targeting specific diseases with these germ protectors. We need to be targeting multiple diseases, all cause mortality, whatever, right? Gosh, it's gonna be so nice to go back to school and study science, dude. So I can understand, so I can explain all this stuff way better. It's gonna be so nice. Highly recommend everybody else do that. Um, and definitely keep your eye out for like accelerated educational programs. Google's been coming out with some stuff. Uh, I wouldn't be surprised if colleges, all colleges around the world, were completely disrupted through accelerated educational programs that are utilizing like AI to make us like way smarter, along with various other wearable cognitive enhancements, and yeah. So that's really exciting stuff, but we gotta stay focused on metformin. That's pretty much it. I kind of wanted to go to 8 minutes. Let's see if I can think of anything else last minute. Um, oh yeah, so for this last little part, actually, I'll say make sure you subscribe to not just this YouTube channel. This is the one I bought, but it's a little bit sketchy. I wish I would have done more research on it before buying it, to be honest. But so this one's a little bit sketchy. So go ahead and subscribe to this one, but make sure you subscribe to my other channel that I started on my own. It's Increased Maximum Lifespan. I'll have the link in the description, of course. Always be checking the description. Whenever you see these lifespan extension and age reversal social media platforms, make sure you're always supporting them, right? As much as possible. It's super important. It's so important. It's difficult to really take the time to explain that, because it would take a while to explain how truly important it is to be doing that. But yeah, it's kind of obvious when you really think about it. If you ever had a loved one who's had to go through a disease, or yourself, okay, imagine a world of no diseases, right? Like how incredible would that be? I feel like this hat looks so goofy on me. Imagine how incredible that would be to I couldn't do it, dude. Of a world in which we all truly had health, right? And we never really had to worry about suffering from some horrific disease, right? Suffering from broken bones and decay due to aging. Like really imagine that. Really take a second to think about that. Like that would just be so incredible, right? To never have to worry about that, because we have advanced enough research, advanced enough technology around us that is keeping us healthy, and we're all intelligent enough to be able to maintain this stuff, right? Like that would just be so amazing, and it really does seem like we're about to achieve that. All right, I'm gonna make different videos after reading this research, just because I kind of want to refresher on it. And yeah, making videos at the same time is a pretty good use of my time, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. I do, yeah, sure, whatever.